Compilers are used to convert the source code into machine-readable code so that the computer can understand it. For every programming language, we have to set up a compiler.
In C language, there are two ways to set up a compiler. The first one is installing the C or GCC compiler manually, and the second is installing CodeBlock or any IDE, integrated development environment, and within that, including the GCC compiler during installation.
After installing the compiler, we need to set its path to environment paths variables because it allows the C program to compile from any directory on your computer.
Following are the steps to download and install the MinGW GCC compiler for Windows. Step 1. Search MinGW C compiler on the web to download the MinGW compiler. Go to your favorite browser and search MinGW C compiler or click on the search for .net link. Step 2. Download MinGW after clicking on the green colored download button on the website. The MinGW setup file will start downloading. Step 3. Locate the MinGW get setup X file and start installation. Located the setup X file on your downloads folder and double click on it. After double clicking on the setup file, MinGW tools will now open. It will show the information like version, name, each other. Click on the install button and process it to start the installation.
Install the MinGW GCC compiler from Windows. Next, we will configuration MinGW. A. MinGW 32-bit package. Right-click on the MinGW 32-bit option and select Mark for installation. B. MinGW 32 GCC Key Possible Package. Select Mark for installation. C. MinGW GCC OBJC Package. Select Mark for installation. Step 7. Apply the changes after selecting all the required package. Go to installation, apply changes, and click on apply changes.
Step 8. Download the change. Now it is time to download all the package you selected in the previous step. Click on apply and process further to download and install them. The download until the download complete. Step 8. Installation complete. Now the installation has been complete. Click on close to close the installation manager.
To set up the path for the C compiler for Windows, follow the following steps. Step 1. Copy the path of the MinGW bit.
Step 2. Open Edit System Variable. Navigate to the search bar and type Edit the system. Step 3. Edit the path in the user variable for the user section. Or set up a new path. After clicking on the Edit button, a new Windows.
Step 5. Paste the path. Paste the path of the MinGW bin that was copied earlier and click OK. Installation in configuration MinGW is done.